For sale is this beautiful 1955 Ford Thunderbird, super clean rust-free car with complete restoration done less than a few years ago. New front power disc brakes, completely rebuilt engine and multiple new parts. Runs and drives amazing. At a price, $35,000. Number 31. 1967 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. 400/400. Have rear spoiler not mounted. Trade for track loader with winch. No other trades. Cash. At a price, $30,000. Number 32. 1941 Studebaker Champion Original, drivetrain, new door and trunk seals in box, runs and drives. Open to offers. At a price, $9,000. Number 33. 1957 Chevy two-door sedan. Runs and drives. Still a work in progress. We drive it all over. 2004 6.0 and 4L60E, fuel injected. One-piece frame has been blasted and painted. Spring relocation kit installed. Tubular control arms, disc brake conversion in the front. Power steering and tilt steering column. Interior is still a work in progress, no headliner. Door panels are being upholstered now to match the back seat. All new side windows just installed this winter. I haven't done any body work to this car since I got it 3 years ago, but somebody did. It's not great, but it's a good cruiser. Had to replace driver side fender last fall. Have done a lot of work to the car, but it does still need some work. I'm just ready to get rid of some projects. Does have a new oil leak that I haven't fixed. Not looking to trade. At a price, $25,000. Number 34. 1986 Zimmer Quicksilver, build #86-0000, first. Sequence number produced. Here's a rare opportunity to own the very first 1986 Zimmer Quicksilver ever produced, build plate #86-0000. With only 30,000 miles, this car represents a fascinating piece of American automotive craftsmanship and neoclassic design history. About the car. The Zimmer Quicksilver was hand-built in Pompano Beach, Florida by the Zimmer Motorcars Corporation, a luxury automaker founded by Paul Zimmer, in the late 1970s. Designed to bring 1930s-style elegance to modern drivability, the Quicksilver was built on a stretched Pontiac Fiero platform featuring custom fiberglass body panels, a plush leather interior, upgraded suspension, and high-end trim appointments. Only around 170 Quicksilvers were ever produced between 1984 to 1988, making any example rare, let alone this one, the very first off the production line for the 1986 model year. Details. Build plate, #86-0000. Mileage, 30,000 original miles. Drivetrain. Mid-engine 2.8 L V6/automatic. Features, leather interior, power accessories, factory reel wire wheels, air conditioning. Condition, well preserved, drives beautifully, garage kept. For collectors, Zimmer enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates unique limited production cars that blend exotic design with American reliability, this Quicksilver is truly a one-of-a-kind find coach build. At a price, $20,500. Number 35.